Into ancient cave night, the trio follows the next relic signal to a cave hidden beneath a glacier. The walls are covered in glowing inscriptions, but they read in a language no one has seen before. Alina, Kissy or High, Rayaan or Kissy. The memory vault. They discovered a crystal pool that shows memories not their own. Visions of the eye being forged by a civilization that was erased from history. Zayan, they didn't die. They were erased. A voice echoes from the cave. Not hostile, but ancient and tired. Voice, you seek the truth, but truth demands a price. The sacrifice. To unlock the next relic, one of them must give up something personal. Zayan must surrender his sword, a gift from his father. Alina must erase a memory, her first discovery. Rayaan must give up his voice for one full day. They each agree, and the relic rises from the pool, a shard of the glowing with unstable energy. Int cave collapse escape. As they flee, the shard pulses, showing a vision of the future. The cave begins to collapse. One of them will betray the others, one of them will fall. And the shard glows faintly in Zayan's hand. We'll choose only one. Ixt Glacier Ridge. Dawn they escape. Shaken and silent, Alina truth, Milgay leaking. Humways not here. To be continued.